Cap Fact: an interesting error in continuity. Issue 7 of Sentinel of Liberty, Volume 1, is Cap reminiscing about his time and relationship with FDR. And the beginning and end of the story has him reacting to a radio broadcast that is the death of FDR. And also at the end of this issue, it has him going on the mission that will end up with him and Bucky getting frozen in ice. Well, Bucky wasn't frozen, but still. However, in the Man Out of Time miniseries, when Cap wakes up in the modern world, the thing that fully convinces him that this is real and not a dream is finding out that FDR died before the end of the war. In his own words, he couldn't come up with such a terrible thing even in his most wild dreams that the man who took them through World War II would die before seeing it solved. So here we have two sources where it's conflicting as to whether or not Steve went into the ice before or after the announcement regarding FDR's death happened. Now, inconsistencies in stories is not unusual to comics, and sometimes there's even big stories that explain these inconsistencies. But what's interesting about this one is that both these issues were written by the same writer. Mark Waid, who is not just a big Cap writer, but he's a big comics continuity expert, got this wrong in between the two issues that he wrote. And yes, these issues were written years apart, but it's still interesting that he would mess up his own facts in this. There is a chance that it was deliberate and he felt that the later story, Man Out of Time, required something of that level to really push Cap into accepting his new reality, but it also could have just been an honest mistake.